guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with another tutorial for you guys, and it's on this look with this month's June's Boxycharm box. I hope you guys like this tutorial, and before you start watching, if you guys are interested in subscribing for the box, it's $21 a month, and it comes with 5 to 4 full-size products. Usually it comes with 5, but I think it's well worth for 21 bucks. If you guys are interested, I'm going to link a link down below, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my social media that I will link down below. And if you guys want to know how to get this look, please keep on watching. So this month's Boxycharm box came with this Touch and Sew No Pore Problem, this Dirty Little Secret in the shade Pale Pink lip pencil, this Stephen Laurent jelly highlighter in the shade Cotton Candy, the Tarte Cosmetics BU Naturally eyeshadow palette, and last but not least this Peach Tea Dominique Cosmetics lip gloss. And I'm going to start off by priming my face with the No Pore Problem Touch and Sew primer. For the under eye circles, I'm going to use this Lancome peach colored corrector. Foundation, I'm going to take the Pure Cosmetics Love Your Selfie 4-in-1, and I'm just going to apply one pump and start blending out the foundation. So if you guys are interested, I did a review on this foundation, and it will be linked down below so you guys could check it out. And then using the same foundation, I'm going to use it as a concealer because you can use this foundation as concealer. I'm just going to blend it out with my damp beauty blender. Next, I'm just going to take the Airspun translucent powder to bake. Next, I'm going to take the Tarte Cosmetics BU Naturally palette. It looks like this, and I'm going to be taking the shade Tropical to apply it as my brow bone highlight. Next, I'm going to be taking this shade right here, which is Explore. Next, I'm going to be taking this shade right here, which is Daybreak. I'm just going to be applying this to the outer corner. I'm going to be taking the shade right here, which is Crystallized. And I'm going to be going back in with the shade Daybreak, just to blend it out. And I'm going to be applying Daybreak as well to the bottom lash line. Going back in with Tropical, I'm going to take that shade and put it as my inner corner highlight. Taking the Better Than Sex mascara, I'm going to be coating my lashes. And I'm going to be applying my lashes off camera, and I'll be right back. Next, I'm going to take the Stephen Laurent jelly highlighter in the shade Cotton Candy. I'm going to take the Dirty Little Secret lip liner in the shade Pale Pink, and I'm just going to be lining the lips. Next, I'm going to be taking the Dominic Cosmetics lip gloss in the shade Peach Tea. So this is a final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so, and also do not forget to thumbs up this video if you really like the video, and also do not forget to follow me on my social media that is linked down below. And thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.